In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Weverse app. So you can do this on your computer like me or on your mobile device. It's going to be pretty much the same way. Now here you can see the sign in option. You want to click the sign in button when you are on weverse.io or as I said on your mobile app. And then once you click sign in, you can either to log in, put in your email and continue with the email, or you can just sign in with Google by clicking over here. You can sign in with your Apple ID by clicking over here, or with X/former Twitter by clicking over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign in with Google. I'm gonna click on that because I think it's the quickest. I'm gonna select my account over here, press continue just like this. And then once that's done, as you can see, you're gonna get redirected. It's gonna start loading on your screen. And then there we go, it says Weverse account. Then you have to agree to all these terms over here, okay? So make sure you read all through these and then click on I agree to the terms of use. Click on next down here at the bottom. And then over here, you can accept your notifications and then click OK. And then, of course, you have to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, there we go, my account has now been created and I've successfully logged in Weverse app. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.